Just imagine, if you were standing right here over 60 years ago, you'd be standing in the middle of an orange grove. One visionary man stood right where you are now, but instead of orange trees, he envisioned a magic kingdom. This man's name was Walt Disney, and his dream would be called Disneyland.
As long as there is imagination left in the world, Disneyland will never be complete.
Imagination? We don't have that around here. Right, Tinkerbell? Oh, atta girl, Tink. Sprinkle your pixie dust. Let's show them just how magical this place can be. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Come on, lady, step in hard. Step in hard. Step in hard. Get me inside. Like a birdie.
Sir, can we turn off the flash, guys? The flash, can we turn it off?
Everything's different now that I see you. I'm so lonely in my country. Time to punch an early lunch and hungry dum-dum-dum.
Because they got soul.
There's more to see than can never be seen. More to do than can never be done. It's the circle of life. Every moves a soul into despair and hope. Through faith and love, till we find our place on the path of wonders. In the circle of
Now I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. Oh, Scooby-Doo, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You say it's true, and ain't like me. Can't learn to be human too.
Newcomer of orange and white, you have been called forth to the summit of Mount Wanahakalui to join with us in the fraternal bonds of time. If you are able to swim through the ring of fire. Just a boy!
Slowly on the way to the mountain, a footprint to receive. In my isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. couldn't keep it in. Heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Now let it go. Let it go.
As Walt Disney said, Disneyland will never be complete. And as the future will show us, with enough imagination, it will continue to build and grow on one enduring promise, that all who journey into its magical gates will feel forever young. And the magic, as Walt assured us, will never end.
Just think, all of this is yours. Forever. Come on and live the magic.
B.
Wow!
B. Is that fun?
Yep.
Mi gorda? Gorda. Sí.
Bye.
Bye. Cristo. Hey Joe.
I love this so much. Happy birthday to Mia and Crystal.
Happy birthday to Mia and Crystal.